So a couple months ago, I was going to buy a car for my niece. Turns out another family member had already bought her a car or given her their car. So I decided I'm just gonna flip this car. So far with this car, the guy had it listed for $1,500. Talked him down to $1,000 on Marketplace. Saw it in person. It was a little dusty. It had been sitting outside. Found out it needed a little bit more than what was said. Talked him down to $800. I thought that was a pretty fair price. It's a 2003 G35 sedan. It's got 160,000 miles on it. And now there's no problems, but I had to originally replace the valve cover gasket, the intake gasket, all the spark plugs, all the coil packs. There was only 3 bad coil packs, but I figured just to be safe, just do them all. Got a whole pack for I think like $130 off Rock Auto. Needed a new battery, needed new catalytic converters, and an O2 sensor, and I believe that was it. Also, the muffler on the pipe connecting to the muffler on the car, I guess it just rusted out and just hit a bump one day and it just completely disconnected. So I just got an adapter and just kind of forced it in there. And no check engine light. Yeah, no problems. AC works. Interior's beat up. It's got exterior little issues. You can expect that for a car from 2003. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it up to where I work at, White Glove Exotic Services, very cool place. I'll be showing you guys that here shortly. I'm gonna take it up there to get safety and emissions done. I already have a potential buyer. If I don't, I have like 2 others lined up. So altogether, I'm into the car for about $2,200 with the car itself. And I hope to resell it for around like $3,500 just real quick and make some money off that. And then, I don't know, maybe get another car, flip that. Or, I don't know, we'll see what appears for us. Oh yeah, also because I had no intention of keeping this car, I don't have insurance on it, I don't have plates on it, and I lost my wallet like months ago. I haven't bothered getting a new one, so I don't have my driver's license technically. So yeah, this is definitely not sketchy if I get pulled over. So we got the G. I'm about to go pick up the other G. I got an exhaust leak on it. Let's see how it sounds. All right, so my goals for today is number 1, go get the other G, take it to the shop, get it safety and emissioned. But once we get that done, I need to find music that is suitable for a video that I made. Because whenever you're working with clients, you have to find music that suits them, what their audience might like. You know the deal, right? And after that, probably just show you guys around the shop. We have a couple Ferraris in, Lamborghinis, McLarens probably. And every day at the shop, there's new cars that come in, cars that leave. So it's kind of like Christmas morning every day. You get to see something better and different. I don't know. Let's go. All right, safety and emissions got done on the car. I think that's it. Nope, it's right there. Safety and emissions got done on the car. I texted the new potential buyer for it, basically saying, come get it, it's ready. So we're waiting on him. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens next. I'll probably do some footage of some of the cars that are in the shop today. And yeah, let's go.
I opened the air filter, there's a towel inside the box. You put it from the throttle, but you don't see it. You put it from the overheated. Let's see 2 years rag how it look like inside the
So where it was in here?
It wasn't here.
All right, so this car was having problems before. The owner took it to a different mechanic. That guy tried to fix it, and after that, it wouldn't start whatsoever. And the car was parked for 2 years after that. And today, the car came to us, to Beat over there, and within 5 minutes, he fixed the problem. And so the car would start and just shut right off. Start, shut right off, back over and over and over. Turns out this rag was sitting in here in the intake. That was the problem for 2 years. That's why I wouldn't start. So this customer is gonna be probably a little upset with the previous mechanic, but we got it all figured out here. She can breathe.
All right, guys, grab the jack. We put it underneath the rear differential.
Bombastic side eye.
Now we get
Yelling over everybody else?
Zach, when you go put the...
I looked away for 1 second, it's on the ground.
Yep. We got the RS7 in here. All right, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Give me some criticism. Let me know what should I do more of, what should I do less of, what you like, what you dislike, anything like that. That helps me out creating future videos. Stay tuned. We got a bunch of cool stuff that always happens at this shop. And I got some pretty cool clients that are coming soon. So stay tuned.